Hey guys! Today I'm going to be playing Chibi Robo on an emulator / gamecube and gamecube only. So come on, let's start! That was loud. Oh wait, I forgot something? Never mind, I was gonna do something. New game! What's this? If I did, I was dumb. Oh. I didn't. Happy birthday, Jenny! Here you go, I got you this hat as a special present from me. That's a weird coin in the corner. Jenny, what's the matter? Jenny, you're 8 now. You can't run around in a frog costume all day. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Oh, Jenny. Woof, woof. Ralph, rough. Oh, got a present from her too? Do ya, cow? Woof! Wow, good dog! How did you wrap it? Ribbit, ribbit. Woof! Alright, now it's my turn. You're gonna love my gift, Jenny. Yeah, right. Oh! What is that? You know you can't afford. But Jenny said she wanted one. Ribbit. Oh, honey, you're not fooling anyone. You wanted it for yourself. Now, calm down. Now, let's talk about this later. What about you? Think you love it, right? Ribbit. Ralph. Oh. This is glitchy. I'm gonna make it faster in the audio, or no, in the editing. Okay, it's better now. What do you think? Should I flip the switch? Ribbit, ribbit. Woof. Some great dialogue. Alright, get ready to... Robo! It's gonna blow! On that amazing chicken in the right. I want that chicken. It's some good chicken. Is that chicken? I didn't notice. I want it though. I want chicken. Who cares about this Chibi Robo? I want chicken. Yay, Chibi Robo. Hello, hello. Hello there. Ribbit, ribbit. Arf. We're here to make you happy. I am telling you, this here is Chibi Robo. Amazing. Ribbit. Woof, woof. That was not going to be good for Chibi Robo. Oh! Hey, is this a birthday party? Yeah, you got that right. Uh-oh, Chibi Robo. It looks like we've come to the party empty-handed. We need to find a present for Jenny, and fast! Oh! How about that flower, Chibi Robo? Oh, I should have pressed no. Well, then I'll leave the rest to you, Chibi Robo. I don't want to leave. Oh yeah, keep. Oh, I want to fly. Okay, Can I jump? Am I allowed to? Never mind. How do I pick up this rose? Whoa, 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 that's amazing! Jenny! Ribbit! She speaks the language of the gods. It's not what I wanted. Rose! How hot! Diggity! Dog! That's awesome! What time is it? It's been 4 minutes. That's so much time. Wow! Excellent! Chibi Robo, Chibi Robo. You should try using your Chibi Copter. It comes standard in all Chibi Robo models. All you have to do is equip it. I already did. You can't fly upwards with it, but listen to this. You can use it to slowly fall from high places. That way you won't hurt yourself. Okay, are you did? Okay. Okay. If you hold A, you'll hover horizontally for a short time. It's handy when you want to fly over small gaps and drop from high places. Hey, listen up, Chibi Robo. Use the Chibi Copter, okay? Don't you want to? Do you want? I don't want actually. When you want to put the Chibi Copter away, just press B. That's cool. I want to go to that, by the way, that was a chicken. It looks like chicken. It looks like chicken is on the menu tonight. Chicken, that's a word that some really bad memories for me. Oh, well maybe now isn't the time to talk about that. Oh, next to an object, that icon. Here, press A. We'll talk about it. Who are you? Why did I ask who she was? Clearly a person. Really, I can't believe you would spend all our moolah like that. You have a point. You don't need to pay so much money for a robot. Speak to me, child. Ribbit. Chibi Robo, Chibi Robo. Give the rose to Jenny. No. Huh? You're not going to give it to her? What are you looking at me about? I'm gonna give it to... Wait a minute. I'm gonna give it to this guy. Hey, now, what are you up to? Not much. Okay, I'll give it to the cake. Never mind. It's just talking about cake. I don't want to see someone talking about cake. Cake is too good. I'll take a chicken. Ribbit. Chibi Robo. Chibi Robo. Give the rose to Jenny. Yes. Why does it have an exclamation mark? Also, why the things, the inventory slots? 3DS cartridges. Slicely. I said slicely. You got 20 happy points. You got 120 monies. Spread the happiness. Earn happy points and moolah by making people happy. Of course, earning lots of happy points will raise your Chibi Robo ranking. Let's do our best to get you into first place. Now that we've handed out presents, it's time for Jenny to blow out the candles. Alright. 1, 2. Happy birthday! And they kept on partying until late into the night. Chibi house. Good work, Chibi Robo. You look a bit nervous at first, but you came through like a pro. Now listen, you need to make ourselves useful to the Sandersons, right? Okay then. Let's adjust your happy points total. Chibi Robo ranking has gone from 100. Okay. In order to get the next bonus battery, you need 60 more happy points. Get a ton of happy points and grab yourself the top Chibi Robo ranking. Anyway, oh, my watch is wrong. When you reach the top of Chibi ranking, why? You'll be upgraded to Super Chibi Robo. Take it from me. Television. I'll do what I can to lend you a hand. You can count on me. Oh, while you're here, Chibi Robo, would you like to save? Yes. Why would I not save? It's stupid. I want to save. I'm sure you know you can save anywhere by plugging into an old outlet in the house. But don't forget, you have to come back to the Chibi house to adjust your happy points. So get out there and grab some happy points. Let's go! You do that only twice. Living room. I need coins. And Mr. Sanderson's he had a little too much fun. A little too much fun. This is who cares? This is meant for people, not babies. But right now, I need you to look at the top of the screen. You'll see a sun symbol during the day and a moon symbol during the night. The moon is out right now, so that means it's nighttime. Let's collect these. Okay, okay. Oh, I went down that way. I didn't want to go that way. I'm confused. Okay. Oh my god. Say, I think you can climb up that cord. I'm gonna need to get some happy points. Hey, it's doing nothing. Now, how do I do things? This. Dear diary, tonight I'm in my usual spot. Head in the living room, body in the kitchen. Tao neglected me again. Typical. He usually dropped me right over there. But tonight, he was lazy and now he can watch Drake while he patrols. Oh, it's so hard to watch him that night in shining armor. Sigh. Oh, Drake, I'm sorry I didn't see you. Perhaps you are on love patrol. Tee. Eep. Hey, are you looking at my diary? Stop it. Oh, what a cad. What's a cad? Oh, who are you? Hey now, what's all the racket? Whoa, what's in... That toy is talking. That's just how things work in this house. Isn't that how it works everywhere? Really? Whoa, it's a bit of a shocker, so I take it there are other toys. Oh, how rude of me. My name is Television, and this is Chibi Robo. My name is Sophie. Well, we're pleased as punch to meet you. I was just writing my diary, and I thought you were trying to peek. You scared me. No worries, happens all the time. Chibi Robo's small, so it's easy for him to sneak up on you. Please allow me to apologize on his behalf. We're both sorry if we startled you. As long as you didn't read my secret passion love for Drake Redcrest, it's fine. Say, why didn't Chibi Robo apologize for himself? I'm very glad you asked. Apologizing is a vital component of the manager's work. Or you're his manager? Seriously? It's kind of weird. Hold on, I need to record this moment so I don't forget. Girls and their diaries. This could be a while, I guess. I'll be leaving. I want to charge my, wait a minute. Yes, I am going to save. I'm going to save this. Yes, I will save. I want to save. Ready? Then let's go. How do I recycle? I need to know how to recycle. What's that? Hey, well, let's take it anyway. I bet he won't miss it. And now that we have this nifty device, I bet we can clean our all sorts of stains. Lucky you! Okay, open to equipment. Select toothbrush with that. And you say to hold it. If you want to put the toothbrush away, press B. Oh! And look, there's a stain right by your foot. Why don't you give it a good scrub? You know, this is kind of disgusting. But, oh, yes, that's it? Okay, Oh, that scared me. Okay, now, are there any more dirty spots? Of course there are. They're right here. Oh, that's odd. I think the TV just turned on by itself. No, I do not like this sound of dread. Okay, so where are we? Okay, where's the TV? Okay, we're about a while. Wait, we're not. Whoa, that guy. So confused, so conflicted. People say, evil people say, just say justice. But what is justice? Do I truly fight on the side, or am I just a fool, a blind fool? No, I fight on the side of justice. Those who think I am disturbing peace will get a taste of my space fury. Oh, this guy's annoying. Whatever that name is, I don't know. I'll look in the recording. Whatever. Yeah, still as sharp as ever. It's my money. I don't care about you. You're dumb. Now I'm just gonna clean this. Oh no! Oh, where's the battery? Fully charge me! Thank you. Woo, that was close. Your energy is full. Are you going to save? Of course I am. Why would I not? That would be a baby move. And I'm not a baby. I do edgy jokes. Like 911. It's me, tomorrow me. I am playing games. Now. I have to get my money. Chibi Robo. Way to go. I think you can call it a day. I'm proud of the work you've done. Oh, the night has ended? Let's return to the Chibi house. Oh, good morning. Let's adjust your happy points total. Chibi ranking has gone from okay number. In order to get the next bonus battery, you need 48 more happy points. If you ever reach the top of the rankings, well, maybe I'm speaking too soon. You'll be upgraded to super luxurious super Chibi Robo. Once you earn that, the girl bots won't. While you're here, Chibi Robo, would you like to save? Of course I would. I just need to know, there are girl bots? They added genders? They added genders. Oh, why if it isn't this girl? Let's talk to her. No, it seems you have some candy wrappers on you. You just dropped some candy wrappers. And you're drawing frogs. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit. Climb, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit. I can't draw, ribbit. Jenny gave you 13 happy points. Spread the happiness. Draw bit. I'm looking at what you're drawing. Now, should I clean this? Yes, I should. Oh, wait, I keep missing. This is some good music. Chibi Robo, all of your hard work has made Mrs. Sanders happy, happy, happy. You see, she's given me a bunch of bonus happy points in Moolah. And when you clean enough, I can give you a nice little cleaning bonus. Your happy points bonus is 9 happy points. And your Moolah bonus is 22 Moolahs. Just your very presence makes everyone happy, happy. Now, let me just go to my charger. I'm gonna get through this quickly. I am charging. Woo! That was close. You're fully recharged. Are you going to save? Yes, of course I would save. I am not a buffoon. Overwrite existing file. Ready then, let's go. Hey, Chibi Robo, it looks like these humans need to sleep at night. Let's talk to them during the day. Oh, walking around drains your battery. So keep an eye on your energy. If your battery starts to run out, plug into an outlet and recharge. What an amazing observation. I didn't know these guys needed to sleep. Hello, epic gamers! This video is too long. The raw recording is too long. And, yeah, it's too long. I played this game for an hour, and, so it's too long. So, yeah, I'm gonna just do a two-parter, maybe, not do this. So, this is the outro, just, a few seconds of gameplay, or maybe 1 minute, and that's it. Bye!